must be losing my mind because I think I just heard Nigel say Alex is the love of his life and his girlfriend.
Oh, I have no doubt you are less than stable. But you did hear correctly. Nigel and I are together, just as we should be.
Damon! You better do something! I did not just sit by his bedside, talking to him in a coma, only to have her swoop in and ruin everything the one time I leave the room. I want my happily ever after!
Sommer, breathe.
V, tell me you can fix this.
Sommer, I'm a vampire hunter, not a doctor.
Ah!
Sommer.
Sorry, Damon. It's just been one thing after another. Nigel and I have come so far. It can't end like this.
I'm sure there's a way we can fix this. Trust me. I want him with Alex about as much as you do.
How's my little Nigel Boo Bear?
Well, now that you mention it, I am a little thirsty.
What do you expect me to do about that? I am not your waitress. But maybe you can use your phone and order us some smoothies and have them delivered. Oh, and you can order me those earrings you promised too.
Earrings? What earrings?
We talked about this before you had amnesia. Remember? You were going to take me to the jewelry store. It was all your idea.
Sorry, I do not remember.
Oh, you said I could get a matching necklace and bracelet too.
Yeah, she's gotta go.
I'm gonna call Cali and see if she and Jazz found out anything that can help.
Well, this book isn't helpful, unless you want to turn Nigel into a hamster.
We have to keep looking. If Nigel gets better, then it wouldn't matter that I was the one that told V Damon, Nigel, and Nick were vampires in the first place. Nobody would ever have to know.
What was that, Jazz?
Oh, nothing. Just talking to myself.
Okay, I'm gonna go make some tea. Do you want some?
Tea would be nice, but a dalgona coffee with caramel sauce and honeycomb sprinkled on top would be better.
I'm making tea with a tea bag and hot water. Do you want one or not?
I'll take a peppermint tea, if it's not too much trouble, with 5 sugars.
Did she say 5? Wow. Here.
What do you mean, That's like drinking red hot lava. I don't know how you can handle such hot temperatures.
Sorry, I made yours the same temp as mine. Do you need some ice to cool down? Hello?
Who is it?
It's Sommer. That's great news.
What? What did she say?
Nigel woke up. Oh, that's terrible.
What? What is it now?
He has amnesia. He thinks Alex is his girlfriend and Sommer is spazzing. No, sorry. We haven't found anything yet that can help. Wait a minute. Jazz, look at this.
Cali, I think you found it. What we've been looking for. Found what?
Sommer, we know how to fix Nigel. We're on our way back.
Here, do you mind carrying this? It's kind of heavy.
Sure.
Great. I go buy bus tickets, I come back, and everybody's gone. And there goes the bus. Where did everybody go?
Come on, Cali. We have to hurry back.
I'm right behind you carrying this giant book. Oh, sorry.
No worries. It was just a fender bender. No need to exchange licenses and insurance.
Haha, you got that line from Tanner Noah. You watch political comedies?
They're practically my entire watch list. That and nature documentaries.
Oh, so you like animals too?
I guess you could say that.
Cali, come on.
Oh, sorry, I gotta go.
Well, it was nice meeting you. Maybe we'll bump into each other again sometime.
Yeah.
Bump into each other again sometime? Smooth, Nick. real smooth.
Can I see your phone? Synthetic stones? No. You know I like rubies, my little Nigel Boo Bear.
Where are they? If I have to hear her call him Nigel Boo Bear one more time, it's gonna take a vampire hunter to stop me from...
Hey! Did somebody call a vampire hunter? No, you sit down. And Sommer, there is no need for violence. I'm sure Cali and Jazz will be here any minute. Oh, thank goodness.
So, Jazz, Cali, how do we fix Nigel?
Well, that's the thing. We have good news and not so good news.
Okay, what's the good news?
If Nigel drinks from this magical cup called the Sorcerer's Cup, it'll reverse the spell.
The not so good news is that it's in a museum, locked up with guards and probably laser beams.
Why can't it ever be easy? Like in fairy tales. True love's kiss, and bam! Everyone lives happily ever after.
This isn't a made-up story, Sommer. Or is it? Dun dun dun!
Seriously.
So, are you telling me that our only option to get Nigel back is to go all Mission Impossible on the museum and most likely end up behind bars? Or you can allow me to right this wrong and assist. I do know magic, and I can magically transport myself and one other person into the museum to borrow the Sorcerer's Cup. We can bring it back, have Nigel drink from it, then return it. But how do I know I can trust you? You don't. But is Nigel worth finding out? Okay, let's do it. Sommer, are you sure about this?
Okay. I'll take diamonds too.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Take my hand. Teleporte!
I'm gonna be sick. This doesn't look like the museum. It looks like my old high school, but different. Is that Cali when she was younger? And me? Chloe, wait up!
What do you want, Sophie? I'm on my way to the barn.
I thought we would go looking for treasure after school today. Sophie? Chloe?
Sorry, we must have taken a wrong turn into a parallel universe where things are pretty much the same, but a little different. Teleporte!
I am never going to get used to that.
There it is, the Sorcerer's Cup.
Okay, I'm gonna do a little Indiana Jones switcheroo. Got it. I can't believe that actually worked. Now let's get back.
Do you mind if I put a few more things in the shopping cart, Boo Bear?
If Sommer isn't back soon, Nigel isn't gonna have any inheritance left. Then who's gonna pay his half of the rent?
Let me rinse this out and get him some water. Hey, Nigel, would you like some water?
You must be the waitress. Yes, thank you.
You can go now, Sommer. Your services are no longer needed.
Sommer,
Yes?
I remember
What do you remember?
you. I remember you. And I want us to be together.
I want that too.
What? No!
Can somebody call campus security?
Looks like she got her happily ever after. After all, I'll take this back to the museum.
Well, it's about time those two crazy kids got together.
Yeah.
And what about you, Damon? Looking for someone special?
Not right now. I'm more interested in finding out who told V Hunter Nigel was a vampire. And when I do, they're gonna wish they hadn't.
Oh.
To be continued on the next Sommer and Cali.